Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to record screen with Format Factory. So, let's get started. First, open Format Factory and click Video. Scroll down and you can see Screen Record. Click on it. You can see like this. You can turn camera on or off. You can choose region screen or window or full screen. You can use microphone and use capture sound. You can also change options. You can change camera hotkey and record hotkey and pause hotkey and stop hotkey. My record hotkey is F6 and pause hotkey is F7 and stop hotkey is F8. You can change output format. And you can change or open output folder. I'll change output folder. You can check or uncheck after finish, open the folder and window always on top. You can also change video frame rate and bitrate. And check or uncheck draw mouse. If you don't like these options, you can reset default options. You can also change audio option. You can check or uncheck use capture sound and use microphone. You can also choose webcam. After that, click OK. Press F6 to record screen. Now I'm recording my screen. To stop recording, press F8. Let's open the recorded file. It's work. Bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.